We got this working. Man, I suck at this game. I don't even know how to block. So this is not a great experience for a variety of reasons. One, this mount is super stupid and gets in the way of the buttons. So it appears the intent is that you put this on here. And you hold it like this. And of course, because this is not a game console, it still needs an external signal, so you'll also need this. Now, one thing I hadn't actually noticed before until I was digging around for adapters is that they appear to be aware that this connection's a little janky. They went ahead and wrote a little note for us. Velcro fixed self-adhesive tie. This is for fixing the connector, thank you. No, no, no. That is not a solution. You guys gotta find a better one when you actually release this thing.
Take a look at this thing. Let's take a look.
Been sitting for a long time. What I heard